Hello everyone. So we have already come to this discussion in which I have already promised you at the beginning of this week. This is related to the review of all the things that I have already given you related to the practices, quiz, and forum of our class, which is English for biology. This is the first discussion that I'm going to give you related to the two paragraphs which I ask you to find out uh, which of the two themes belong to which paragraphs. In this slide, there are two themes or topics that I've given you. The first one is the shape of wings, and the second one is their traveling habits. It's related to the animals since we have already talked about several times about animals. Jadi di sini itu ada dua paragrafnya. The first one is related to monarch butterflies, and the second one is about monarchs' wingspans. Okay, let's start our discussion. Okay, so this is the first discussions of the two paragraphs. I'm going to read it first, quickly. Monarch butterflies travel long distances to stay warm. They fly up to 3,000 miles to the same winter routes, sometimes to the same exact trees. However, their lifespan is only a few months, so individual monarchs only make a round trip once. Their great grandchildren return south the following falls. Okay, untuk menentukan sebuah tema dari sebuah bacaan yang kita baca itu, like I said before, that we have to find out or figure out which one is the keywords inside the paragraph itself, okay, inside the text itself or the passage itself. Okay, keywords itu yang seperti apa? Words that describe certain something repeatedly. Again, words that describe certain something repeatedly. Nah, jadi words ini mendescribe certain something itu secara berulang-ulang. Nah, apakah harus words itu secara tertulis atau tersirat? Itu tergantung dari kalimat di dalam paragrafnya itu sendiri. Mari kita lihat di sini. Will the keyword stated or unstated? Let's see from the paragraph one, the first sentence, travel long distances. Nah, di sini kita menemukan kata travel long distances. Berarti di dalam kalimat pertama ini, they talk about travel long distances. Berarti monarch butterfly ini mengatakan tentang traveling dalam dalam distances yang panjang atau jarak yang jauh ya, begitu. How about the second sentence? Fly to the same winter routes or trees. Berarti dia mengatakan mengenai kalau monarch butterflies ini selalu fly to winter roots yang sama atau trees yang sama. Kalau misalkan dia itu dilakukan secara berulang-ulang dan selalu di kegiatan yang sama, berarti itu secara tidak langsung dia menggambarkan mengenai habit atau rutin dari si animals tersebut. Oke, lanjut. The third sentence, round trip once. Dia hanya melakukan round trips itu hanya sekali untuk individual monarchs itu. Nah, itu setiap individual monarchs itu melakukan round trips itu hanya sekali. Ini melakukan sekali, besok itu juga melakukan sekali. Itu berarti kan merupakan habit dari monarch butterflies tersebut. Okay, last sentence, return to the south the following fall. Nah, berarti dia itu selalu kalau misalkan dia itu sudah masuk false, dia akan return to south. Selalu dia melakukan hal itu berulang-ulang kali. Ketiga kalimat ini, the second, third, and last itu dia menceritakan mengenai satu certain something yang berulang-ulang, yaitu adalah mengenai habitnya dari monarch butterflies tersebut. Konsepnya itu adalah mengenai habitnya atau rutinnya dari monarch butterflies tersebut. Rutinnya tentang apa? Tentang traveling. Nah, makanya lah semua sentence tersebut related to habit when traveling. So, I'm sure that you have already known about this. The answer to paragraph A is the traveling habit. That's it for paragraph A. Next, the monarch's wingspan ranges from 8.9 to 10.2 centimeters. The upper sides of the wings are tawny orange, the veins and margins are black, and there are two series of small white spots in the margins. Monarch's forewings also have a few orange spots near the tips. Wings undersides are similar, but the tips of forewings and hindwings are yellow-brown instead of tawny orange, and the white spots are larger. Nah, kembali lagi kita kalau misalkan seperti yang saya bilang tadi, if we want to find out the topic or the theme for the paragraph or the text, we have to find out the keywords. What is this keywords? For this, keywords again means words that describe certain something repeatedly, yang mendescribe certain something ini secara berulang-ulang. Tadi di paragraf sebelumnya, certain something itu bisa tertulis dan tersirat. Nah, yang tadi itu travelnya tertulis, sementara habitnya dia mengatakannya secara tersirat melalui kegiatan-kegiatan yang dilakukan oleh monarch butterflies. Bagaimana dengan sekarang? Apakah tertulis dan tersirat juga? Mari kita lihat. First sentence, wingspan ranges from bla bla bla. Berarti dia menyebutkan mengenai wings dan shape. Kenapa shape di sini? Karena dia menyebutkan mengenai ranges dari wings-nya itu. Yang kedua, wings are tawny orange. Still about the shape. Second sentence, forewings have orange spots. Wings and shape again. Last sentence, wings under are similar. Wings and shape again. So all sentences describe about shapes of the wings. That's why the topic of this paragraph related to the shape of wings. So it's not always stated, but it can also be unstated related to the keywords when you want to figure out the theme of the text that you read. Jadi itu tidak selalu tersurat, tapi juga bisa tersirat. Contohnya yang seperti ini. Okay, next we are going to the next discussion.